Geography at Key Stage 2 is about opening the world up to pupils, about making them think about where places are and how the world functions and is connected. Whilst Key Stage 1 showed pupils what their immediate world was like in the UK and familiarised them with the way we navigate through maps and symbols, Key Stage 2 spreads out to areas around the world, such as Europe and North and South America. Mapping conventions are more detailed, including an introduction to longitude and latitude, and concepts such as the equator and the tropics. Children are introduced to physical geography, such as climate, vegetation, various landscapes, and the water cycle, along with human geography, such as settlement, industry, trade, and natural resources. They will use technology to explore the world and be doing fieldwork to understand it. Key Stage 2 Geography is a journey through the range and capability of geography, giving pupils a taste of the diversity, usefulness, and power of the discipline. The key is not only for pupils to wonder and be inspired, but to start to learn to ask thoughtful questions and to see just what such questions and answers might be capable of achieving. Explore it with them. If you don't know the answers, collaborate with your pupils. Let's find out together. You might start by showing them how to navigate to the continental zones, showing them a little about these places at first. Then look at climate zones, biomes, and vegetation belts. What kind of world pattern do these zones fit into? What is local agriculture like? And what are local diets? Lead them to discover how climate zones, biomes, and vegetation have affected the character of these places. Where do the rivers flow? Why do they flow where they do? Where is the highland and where is the lowland? How has this affected where the cities are and what people do to earn a living? What is the water cycle and what is it like in these areas? Let pupils discover the importance of natural features and processes. What is a volcano and what is an earthquake? How does the pattern of global volcano and earthquake location fit into where your locations are? Can pupils find out what impact volcanoes and earthquakes have on local people? Where do people live? Why do they live or not live in cities? Where are the cities and what are they like? Are more people moving to cities? And if so, why? How do people use the land? Let them think about how settlements have developed, where, how, and why they have. What does the region have and do? Where are the resources? Are the resources enough, or do they make or grow things that are for export? What do people do for a living? What and where do they trade? This is a broad range of things to do. Key Stage 2 needs to be fast-paced, topical and exciting. Try to get pupils to think about connections and to identify what is changing, where, when and why. Who wants change? Who is driving change? Where and how are similar things happening elsewhere? Ask pupils to have debates. Ask them to draw annotated field maps and sketches of place. Get them in contact with local schools or authorities. Watch the news. Get in guest speakers. Utilise YouTube for video information. Use Google Earth to verify your findings and to generate questions. Keep your pupils thinking, connecting and reflecting. This is an exciting, challenging programme of study. Remember to keep asking geographical questions. Where is this? What is going on here? What kind of place is this? How is this like other places? How is it connected to other places? Is this somewhere I can go? Keep asking questions and it is bound to be fun.